There's some bullshit when you coming up this driveway, man. That's why we leave early and don't have to rush. I figured it. Like, yeah, they got me doing this, not talking about clear the middle. Like, this is a 2-lane highway. It's one crash all the way down there. Don't play with that boy. Man, he got that shit now. Don't play with that boy. That boy got that. He focused now. I like this type of Manny, the Hawk Manny. Yo went to Greece for a little bit, got the motivation, came back with the sauce. Now he cooking, you know what I'm saying? That's all it takes. A little downtown to make the mind grow, you know? Fuck with my man though, man. 100 grand, man. We was at Charm City King smoking so much, you know what I'm saying? The only niggas ever did it. Only stunt men ever in life did that, you know what I'm saying? I
I'm acting like you can't do that shit, man. I can do that, yo.
can do that. Man, if I do it with a half a foot, why you can't?
Oh, man.
Now they're trying to make it look bad. That's crazy right there. Oh, he wants to come get you, huh? Okay. That. Don't even worry about it. Just get yourself together till we be there. We be there in a couple minutes.
Like that,
This motherfucker ride this with the pack, yo.
bring it in.
I ain't even going hood.
Come on, baby.
Hey, y'all, I'm gonna go buy me one of these, I was sleeping on her. I ain't even going hood.
What? No, Wayne did. He got that shit high as a bitch.
Is this mixed right this one?
Yeah.
Smoke it.
You want me to put this up like this? Yeah. Well,
This idle screw, they're looking at my idle screw.
yeah.
Am I tripping? I mean, that'll
no, you need a pro for it.
Nigga trying to no-hand that shit and shit like that.
That bitch idle by itself.
It'll ride by itself.
I'm telling you.
Neat though.
Oh, all right. We from my man Nick Dawg because he gonna be here.
I think he was on
Tell
talking
my
about
location say he was at.
man, I'm telling you, a lifesaver and a half, man. Lifesaver and a half plus a quarter. Come on, man. It can't be perfect yet. He'll get it perfect whenever, but yeah, I just want to ride him on some hawk shit. I want a hawk ball.
Finally take a picture of your boy, stop playing. I came outside feeling like a man. Now take a picture of me doing my thing. I was in a motor, should've worn my chain. Diamond standing in the picture, that's my name. I felt it in my spirit, it's gonna be a good day. A nigga poppin' with a nigga like Willie Wayne. Had to tell her to turn me from my way. Bobbing and I'm smiling like my nigga Rick Tank. I be doing my thing like bite like name. I was clean as a whistle all up in this bitch. Fresh night, red and white jersey, match my kicks. Numbzilla back to kill a nigga, bitch. Just in this bitch, and I got my bitch. Oh, stop playing. Finally take a picture of your boy, stop playing. Oh, stop playing. Just finally take a picture of your boy, stop playing. I came outside feeling like a man. Finally take a picture of me doing my thing. Hey. Oh, boy, stop playing. Just finally take a picture of your boy, stop playing. Everybody ain't cheap, no. Yeah, everybody ain't great either. Yeah, and I'm not like two-time. Yeah, and I'm not Lord John either. I can't really get, but I look good. And I'm riding through my motherfucking city in my hood. I wish a nigga could, but I can't understand what I'm saying. You with that thing, I hit you with that iron all the time. And I make you cry, I make you die, bitch. Go to hell and see you again. And I ain't gonna say this shit again. Take a picture of me, baby. Please, I know. Please, I take a picture of your boy, stop playing. And listen to what the fuck I'm saying. I take a picture of your boy, stop playing. And listen to what the fuck I'm saying. Hey, ooh, stop playing. Finally take a picture of your boy, stop playing. Hey, ooh, stop playing. Finally take a picture of your boy, stop playing. I came outside feeling like a man. Finally take a picture of your boy, stop playing. Ooh, boy, stop playing. Finally take a picture of your boy, stop playing.
Just out here doing what we love to do, you know? There's some people that love to do it with. Hey, hey, look at tall man, look. This your stilo right here. Go ahead, fuck it up one time. Fuck it up one time, tall man. Look, he embarrassed. I ain't gonna repeat what you say. I'm gonna leave it alone. Oh, that's a New York beat. Oh, he's fucking it up. He's fucking it up. He's fucking it up. Hey. Don't twist now. None. She had nothing, nothing on.
Still on the mission, don't tell me when I'm the feds and the big came home. Hey man, legend, grab me 11. My bitch better shit is a given. Ain't doing a trick, listen. Better fuck with them niggas that scamming, bitch, I'm jamming. My money go back to the kitchen, you hear me? Still be out in the trenches, still up fire her bitches, still up glisten switches. Just to remind you niggas don't crash into me as a head on collision. Demons be all in my head, she know I fuck up the bed. Nigga, I see what you said, but I'ma kill you with kindness. Fucking your bitch with a leg, yeah. Look like I'm on the pot, no key to sign. Covered in pussy to match, you know this shit can get trash. You don't understand it, I put your shit in the can. Oh, Danny ain't never do magic. Bro working and switching, I'm laughing. How you saving a bitch and she playing? He was living them niggas like.
Just cry about it. Oh, my girl got my book in. I'm a shit. It's talking so much shit about
Left, right. Hold the front brake. I don't feel like shaking, so I got him to do it. Freaky shit. Shake that motherfucker. Shake it.
Got enough to buy rich, but that padded really fit. I spent thousands on my bed. I been cutting up the rent. I'm a man, niggas sweat. I getting money, fucking hoes, Christmas, fucking queen. Miss Chanel with the Celine. I still rockin' Mary Jane. These 1,000 fucking me. Bitches come, we hit the same. Shaking ass, try to sing. Treat my bitches like they queen. Like my bitches thick and mean. I'm a trap, now I'm rap. We get actin', niggas actin'. This is strike, still a trap. Niggas get it out the back. Boys broke like a crack. If you die with a man, put your dumbass on the glass. Then bitch, you better have it.
Oh, that's definitely a banger. Oh yeah, that's crazy. I'm coming up here just to get my phone. Look, man. Look, this guy was the truck.
And your leg. Thanks.
That's crazy. That is
Man,
insane.
I'm surprised nobody was walking right here and didn't get it.
There's no reason to walk here. There's no sidewalk.
Damn. You left your leg thing too.
I had to get out of there. Them niggas straight leave. Damn. Oh yeah, we ready to swing over there. They had a banger. Turn that bitch out.
We just accidentally ran into a banger.
Like no. Oh, he turning up. He turning up. These little niggas nice. Don't make me get my banshee out.
I just talked about this and said I want to go to one.
Don't make me get my banshee out.
Man, don't smack this with the U-Haul, man.
What you mean?
A few moments later.
One of them dumbass races.
Jeez.
That Benedict. Facts. Damn. Yup, one of them dumbass kids racing.
We get third from over there. He's not over here.
You're a kid too. Damn, man. Bye, Bikelife.
Still on the mission, no tipping. Went on the feds of the big, came home. Hating ass niggas, ain't even 11. My bitch better shit is a given. Ain't doing no tricking. Listen, better fuck with them niggas that scamming. Bitch, I'm jamming. My money go back to the kitchen. You hear me? Still be out in the trenches. Still love fire hook bitches. Still love glitches and switches. Just to remind you niggas don't crash into me as a head on collision. Demons be all in my head. She know I fuck up the bed. Nigga, I seen what you said, but I'ma kill you with kindness. Fucking your bitch with the leg. Yeah, look like I'm on the pot. Low key a savage. Covered in Cleese and Mac. You know this shit can get trash. You doing no static. I put your shit in the can. Who Danny a nigga do magic. Bro working the switch and I'm laughing. How you saving a bitch and she plastic? He was living, them niggas ain't lasting. See, baby, you know you the fan. Ain't you the bad? You know that I'm trying to have.
It's real bike life. Ain't no way else to look like that. Everybody looking at